So, coming into the morning, I have a bullish bias. Like, I'm leaning bullish because, overall, we just look bullish. We're already respecting bullish. PDRA higher and everything, like, internally. There's nothing really to get externally unless we took previous week low. We would be able to go off this 4 hour, which I would honestly wish we had. But yeah, really nothing to look at in the 15-minute. And it's not looking like we're gonna want to take this hourly internal low. We do have this unfilled hourly over here. We're filling the gap as we speak as well. But yeah, like, I'm just bullish. We can see this hourly and see what we want to do here. We do have an SMT with London. It's just not inside anything significant, really. So yeah, you can see right here is the London low SMT. There you go, get the SMT there. And yeah, I'm just fucking, let's see. I know 10 a.m. this will be a 4 hour. So we both have hourly gaps over here. 1 hour. But do they have a 4 hour? Yeah, so this is a 4 hour internal high. I don't think was, yeah, we already inversed that shit. So for us, I guess it'd be like an hourly high, but so whatever. Might as well close this up a little bit. It's probably gonna be filled by the time market opens anyways. So we entirely filled this gap. Now we're just looking at this hourly. It would be, I wouldn't even be, yeah, it would be nice if we came into it. We don't necessarily need to go lower, but I think overall we're very bullish. The market just opened like a couple seconds ago, so we'll see what we do. At this point, we just have conditions set for ourselves. 5-minute conditions. Also today, since it's no news, I'm not that not like needing for a trade, because we got CPI tomorrow, PPI Wednesday, regular unemployment claims on Thursday, like all that shit that's usually on Thursday, whatever it is. And then we got consumer sentiment on Friday at 10 a.m. So we're pretty packed with news this week. Hopefully it's gonna give us some opportunities. But we've SMT'd this hourly. I don't think that matters though. Personally, don't think that matters whatsoever. I think we're just gonna pump. Yeah, so essentially, we got these 5-minute gaps right here. Whatever. I don't care. We could honestly just be, this could be the high, and we could be continuing our bearish trend until this daily or weekly, I guess, low inside this 4-hour gap gets taken. Maybe I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. Honestly, a thing that we could look for could be a mech to the downside. I'm not that bearish though. I just like that we have this S&T inside the high time frame BDRA, but it's not necessarily with my bias, so I'm not that you know, conflicted or whatever the fuck. What would the word be? Conflicted, dude. I don't think that's the word. But yeah, so coming down towards this 5-minute right now. Maybe this, I just don't want to have to wait forever. Let's see what's London. Yeah, it just looks like, ugh, I don't know. So ES has a 5-minute here as well. I think we'll hit this 5-minute too. Yeah. So we hit this 5. We have equal lows right here, so I don't really want to. I don't like that we got equal lows, but this will probably work. I'm not taking this though. This can be a little, I mean, it could definitely work. We can try it on paper though. I'm not opposed to that. Oh, we're so displacing. I don't like the equal lows though. I mean, we're gonna rip though. Damn, we missed our order. I don't know. I just don't like equal lows. That's literally it. If we didn't have those, I'd probably take it. Alerts at this high for our break-even point. Looks way better on ES though, just a little bit mid. I don't know. Stop could technically be at this low, but if we want good risk reward, we can. So I got the CISD entry on paper, of course. So we got a little BPR. Ideally this stops out. So I was right about entering. But yeah. So let's see. Let me log out. I mean, I probably wouldn't have, like, if I took the trade, actually, I wouldn't put my stop there, in all honesty. So I'm looking at both things now. Alright, pool. Now I'll look to want to take this. SMT. I'm looking at both directions. Because we do have the SMT at the hourly. If we take this low, we can't take it. I'm already not really that liking it that much. Yeah, I'm already not really fucking with it much. Yeah, we can't even take it now. So I hate that it does this thing though, when it just deletes candles. Hopefully it's there. There we go. Nah, we gotta hit this 15-minute. So if we take London low and previous week low, like if we have no opportunity for like a mech model out of this, or like a 5-minute inversion, then essentially I'm here, wait. Yeah, so like mech model or 5-minute inversion up. If we don't get that and we're just we get a 5-minute rejection lower, then continuation lower. If we don't get any sort of thing, then and we just go lower, I want to see previous week low taken and then assess from there. But essentially, like it would be a MAC and low risk. So we gotta wait 5 minutes, essentially. So I'm paying attention to this hourly. So we got 2 minutes. We do this 4-minute. So I'll just watch this 5. And if we don't have it, then I'll take the 4. It's looking like we're not going to get it anyway, so we will throw a layer up here. It's looking like, yes, we'll take that really quickly. Yeah, they look very bullish to me. Yeah, so we're taking this 4-minute. Let's calculate risk. ES is pumping. Honestly, I think I'd be fine. I just want ES to not take this high. If we can continue to displace through on ES this high, I'll take this for a minute. But, I mean, let's see. It's not necessarily inside any sort of gap. So this next minute candle, if we can get closure above, I'd probably want to take this then. Yeah, I think I still want to take it. I don't think this matters much. I like this a lot. What? What?
How's your class?
It's fine. I already did all the homework. I'm in there. Six, 8, 2, 5. So I'm in there. I'll show you. I think it's just obvious that we should be going higher. I like to see us, yeah. Alright, yeah, ES looks good there. The 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, we shouldn't fucking be pumping soon. Safest spot. My stop technically isn't the safest spot, but obviously I don't think it should come back that low. It really shouldn't. So. I mean, the only thing that's kind of could be fucking us is this SMT internally, but I don't think that matters because it's not necessarily inside anything. But yeah, I don't think it should matter. So we'll see. Alright. So here's 10 a.m. See if we want to pump up. Damn. We'll wait. We'll wait and see. Very, very long. We're waiting very long. This is gonna be a long ass trade if I don't know. I mean, hourly to me just like looks bullish in the first place. Could have thrown stop down here, but I mean, whatever. Let's see. We just gotta get the fuck up. That's all. Alright, so that's a good bullish candle closure out. Yeah, we'll see. I want to see this like push us higher now. Damn, we're about to make this 5-minute on ES. That's fucked up. Oh no, I'm not that. I'm not gonna worry about that 5-minute. It's not really what I'm going off of. That shouldn't really matter. I think we should just deliver. But it's very slow. Very, very slow. So boring. So yes, just hit that 5-minute. Hopefully they can just pump through. Hmm. Like, bro, what the fuck? Yeah, that 5 minutes not looking the best for us right now. But I mean, there's no like area. It's like I can't use that as a break-even point or anything. It's just like, you know, just because of where we entered, we just gotta deal with it essentially. Unfortunately, it was made, but yeah, we just gotta deliver higher, bro. I don't know why we're stalling so hard. Let's see what ES is up to. They got 10 seconds for that shit to close through. Yeah, it's not looking like this candle's gonna do it, but yeah, this candle's not doing it. So I'm take profiting up here. Bro, this is retarded. What time did I enter at? 52. It's almost been 20 minutes. It's crazy how it just chops right after you like get your entry. So it's like there's nothing I could expect. Like I you know, if this was happening before entry, then obviously I wouldn't enter. But wow, diabolical. Hmm. This is fucked up. Genuinely fucked up. Now we're back in profit. What the fuck, dude? This is so like bipolar as fuck. I'm liking the look of this candle so far. I mean, just a bullish candle. Oh. Alright. We have an internal SMT. Not like that really probably does much, but it's there. Hopefully now we can drive higher. Yeah, been in this shit for 20 minutes so far. Dude, just Drake up. Drake candle. Alright, did we inverse this? Yeah, so that's good. And we inverse this, so that's good. Alright, now it should just be to the highs from here. Oh, I'm so itchy. Fucking bug bites, bro. Yeah, so like currently there's no reason we should come down to here. We should be targeting this high as of now. But we'll see. It's a Monday with no news, so that could also be a reasoning for like lack of delivery. What is our range so far off of? Is this even? Yeah, it's open. Oh wow. Did not realize we moved that much. I'm not sure if I want to go break even once ES takes us high or not. We'll just throw an alert here to see where we're at, if it's looking like it's a valid break even point if we haven't hit this high yet. So that's what we're working with. Equal highs on ES. Ugh. Pump, pump, pump. Stalin's super hard. I definitely think this is like A rated still, the setup. Just definitely not A plus because we did take that internal INES, and everything. But yeah, if the lowest I'd give it would be like a B plus setup. The lowest rating I'd give it would be B plus. So yeah, that's about it though. We're getting pretty close though. We're like 15 points away or so. 17 points, I don't know what it is. I'm not a fucking mathematician. I don't fucking know, dude. Alright, so I'm just gonna move my stop to break even here. We are risk free, so that's good. It's our 1-to-1s up here, but I do have a strong conviction on us going higher. So yeah, ES is about to smack that hourly. Yeah, we're about to make a 5-minute that's gonna support us. That can support us higher. So we'll just let it ride. Let it do its thing. Obviously, I wish I had my stop there just so I could have the best risk reward possible. And unfortunately, this break-even high was not 1-to-1. It was pretty negative. I believe it was like 60%. I said, yeah, that's way too low for my liking. Yes, about to smack that hourly. Looking like. So, yeah, I'm gonna let it keep running though, because I just overall have that conviction that we should go to these highs no matter what at this point. So, yeah, 52 is when we entered. It's been 30 minutes. Long ass trade. So we created those 5 minutes. I do not want to see us have to retrace into those. But it's looking like we're going to now. So I wish it was one of those days that just gave us no retracements and we just ripped. But, you know, don't always get what you want. I'd honestly be shocked if we do break even though, I can't even lie. But can't be mad if we do. Just hope if we do hit it, I don't want to get smacked by with volume and actually take a loss. Alright, so we hit the 5-minute NES. Hopefully we can just pump. And yeah, I don't know. I think we hit it now. Hopefully that's gonna push higher prices. So yeah, from here I'd like to see this 1-minute inverse as like someone entering for continuation longs. And yeah. But that 5-minute has been touched. Dog. What the fuck? um, 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 don't do that, bro. Don't do that bullshit to me. But if it happens, it happens. I still haven't even reached the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, so if it happens, it happens. It's looking like it's gonna happen. Pray to God it doesn't now. Yeah. Break even. Whatever. It's my trade for the day. I'm not trading the rest of this day. It's fucking dog shit. But there we go. Alright. We'll go into this. Let me take this off. I'm very surprised how shitty the delivery was today, but can't be too mad about it because we didn't lose. So all I lost was like fees, of course. So like nothing. Break even day. So Confluence is with this. Coming in the morning, I was already bullish. I already saw this hourly internal low I wanted to see. Unfortunately, we took this hourly before taking the low, so we didn't really. To me, it wasn't like the cleanest shit, but yeah, I guess sweeping the high inside the In this 5 minute short would fucking probably cook. In all honesty, do we have a 15 minute? No, we don't. Probably have. Yeah, so I'd say this shit will deliver here. I'm not taking it though. I'm not bearish. But yeah, no. So coming in the morning, we've taken out previous day low. We took out like some sell side and shit, I guess. Just previous day low and this low right here. We had a S&T with this low, with London, and I saw it coming in the morning. This gap just looked perfect to see if we wanted to drive price higher. And so basically with that, we took out this hourly internal low that we had right here, and that created an SMT inside the hourly. Our highest time frame inversion higher was this 4 minute, and so I entered once we inversed, break even at the high because, and not take profit because it is just it is below a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and then TP at this buy side over here. So only way I could really see us being reason for break evening would be because that hourly gap right here, we just took the high inside of it and kind of needs to drive price lower a little bit. But yeah, as of now, I don't even think, did this inverse? I don't know. I wouldn't even want to be in it at this point, seeing how shitty it's been. But yeah, 4 minute inversion, S&T low, stop at this candle body. Oh my god, voice crack. Stop at the candle body low, just because I wanted to get the best risk reward ratio, and ideally we should not come down there. But yeah,